All right, for this worksheet, when you find the sample spaces, so the first 6 questions are going to say find the sample spaces and represent it using set notation. What they mean by sample spaces is, let's say you have this scenario where you go to a restaurant and you have your appetizer, your starter, or you could choose from either wings, nachos, or a salad. You have main dishes where you could choose from either burger, chicken, or steak, and then drink, you could either have water, pop, or lemonade. So in order to write using set notation, what you're going to do, and I'll put it in red so that you can know the difference, is you're going to write, well, I could choose to have wings, I could choose to have a burger with water. That's one of the options. Then from there, the other option is I could go and have wings, I could do chicken, and I could have water. Okay, and then from there, I could also do wings, burger, pop, wings, burger, lemonade. Okay, like these are just examples. Like there's going to be a lot more of these because I gave you one that has a lot of different options. Now, these are just a sample of them because of the fact that I don't have all of them listed. But that's what you would do to make your sample spaces, is if you have different categories, you list out like each thing. Like let's say something was days of the week and it was different times for like a meeting. So let's say it was Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, and you had options of 2 or 3 for the times. You'd say Wednesday at 2, Wednesday at 3. Thursday at 2, Thursday at 3, Friday at 2, Friday at 3. So you'd have 6 different things there. So that's how you come up with the sample spaces. Then the bottom of that worksheet where it says list the possible outcomes of the sample space, that's called the counting principle. And what you do with the counting principle is it basically tells you how many different options you're going to have. So to be honest, for this particular problem, it would be nice to know this is how many I should have. So let's start writing them. So on this particular problem set, since there are, and I'm going to put this in green so that you can see it, since there were 3 for the appetizers on the menu, and there are 3 for the main, and 3 options for the drinks, in order to get the sample space or the number of possible outcomes, you multiply the numbers together. You multiply 3 for the starters times 3 for the main times 3 for the drink. So you'll end up with a possible of 27 possible outcomes. So if I was listing the sample space for this, I would have to have 27 different combinations. Okay, so again, when it says sample space using set notation, it's in red where you're writing out all the different parts or all the different possibles, and then when it says list or find the number of possible outcomes, that's the stuff over here in green where you just multiply the numbers together to see how many choices you should be having. Okay, so that's how to do that worksheet.